Hi guys, we're going to be opening one pack of FIFA World Cup cards held in Brazil, the English version. Here you see superstar cards to collect with the Neymar and Eto'o on the front cover. So let's get it open. Okay. So that's a goal stopper there, and okay. So first up we have Omar Gonzalez for the USA, the defender. Then we have Mats Hummels for Deutschland, another defender, very good defender there. Then we have David Villa for España, for a very good forward. Then we have Leighton Baines for England, who also plays for Everton, defender. Then we have Keylor Navas for Costa Rica, keeper. Then we have Ezequiel for let's just say Garay for Argentina, defender. Then we have Diego Godin for Uruguay, another defender. Then we have Dmitry Kombarov for Russia, another defender. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, a keeper and a forward. 6 defenders, keeper and a forward. In there, and then we have Manuel Neuer for Deutschland, who's a very good keeper, goal stopper, very good player. So our power card of that pack was Manuel Neuer for Deutschland. Again, goal stopper, very good player indeed. And he can only miss 4 saves, which is absolutely